Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the StageSound Stage GoFree portable Bluetooth speaker. This was sent to us by COOLMETECH. So a big thank you to COOLMETECH for sending this out to us. We're going to open it up and see what we have inside the box. So the packaging does look really nice. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have inside. So kind of just like slide it out. Thank you for choosing StageSound. And this is actually an 18-month extended warranty. So if you scan this little code right here, you can actually extend your warranty for 18 months. So that's pretty cool. And now here's the speaker inside the box. Let's see if we can get this out. All right, slides out nicely. There we go. Nicely packaged. You guys know I don't like to rip bags, so we'll try to open it up. There we go. All right, so there is a speaker. Looking pretty cool. See what else we have inside here. There's like a little false bottom. You open it up, looks like we have an instruction guide, and we have a couple of cables. We have a 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a little welcome/instruction guide. So this is everything that comes inside of the box, as you can see right here. All right, let's go ahead and open up the little bag here. See what we have. All right, so we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, 3.5 millimeter adapter. You want to connect an external device, that's for your auxiliary port. And then we have this manual here. And this thing just opens up like this. Has all of your instructions inside right here. So basically just telling you what is in the box, how to charge it, how to use it, USB mode, the different controls. And that's pretty much it. I mean, pretty straightforward here, nothing too special. Okay, so this is the speaker right here. Let's just take a look at it a little bit closer. So here you can see this grill. It's kind of like a metal grill. So it has a little light bar here, has a little logo right here at the top. Right here you have your power button, you have your Bluetooth button, you have a mode button, plus and minus for your volume. And if you come around to the side, you have your little spot right here with your USB-A port, USB-C, and you also have your 3.5 millimeter right there, nice and waterproof because this is IPX7 waterproof. And if we come around to the back, we do have what they say subwoofer here, but it's really just a passive radiator. And I believe in the front here, the way that this is, it has two tweeters right here, or two speakers right here. In the middle, it has another passive radiator, or a smaller one. So two passive radiators, two speakers. And then you also have a light button right here, and then you have an EQ button right here. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment. And then over here on the side, you have a little strap you can hold it by. So that's kind of nice. You want to carry it around. And that's pretty much it for the actual speaker itself. All right, so let's just go over some specs about the speaker real quick before we get it connected. It's 40 watts of output power. IPX7 means it is fully waterproof. You can dunk it in the pool. You take it wherever you want, but it is not going to be dust proof at all. It does have 3 EQ modes. It has normal, bass, and treble, plus 5 lighting modes: rainbow, rhythm, crossing, amber, single, and off. 2 of those lighting modes actually go to the beat. It has Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest version of Bluetooth, a built-in microphone, so you can actually use this to take calls from your cell phone. 12-hour battery life on only 2 hours of charge. 3 connection modes. You have USB, aux, and Bluetooth. And you can actually use this as a power bank to charge your cell phone or charge your device while you're actually playing music on a speaker. Now, this only does have 2 speakers in it, but it also does have 2 passive radiators. And it uses some type of technology called SoundX 2.0 technology, which is supposed to make it sound clear even at high volumes. So we're going to go ahead and power it up for the first time here and see what we get.
Bluetooth.
Okay, so it's already ready to be paired. So let's go ahead and find it in your device. It's called the Stage GoFree, and pair to it. And there we go. Now we're paired. So now on the front right here, you do have the light button. Now this light button is going to go through all of the different lighting modes. So this actually goes to the music. This one is just stable. This one also goes to the music. This is like an out towards in type of EQ. The other one was like middle out. You'll see that in a bit. And then we also have this one right here, and then back to normal. And if you hold the button down, it just turns the lighting mode off completely. Now this over here is the EQ. So you have bass, treble,
normal,
and normal. And another thing I want to show you is that since the speaker does support TWS, or true wireless stereo, if you have 2 of them, you can actually connect them both together and have true wireless stereo to enjoy your favorite music. So the way that you connect them in TWS is that the first speaker already has to be on and paired to your Bluetooth. Then you're going to turn on your second speaker, just like this. Okay, second speaker's on.
Bluetooth.
And now you're going to hold down your Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. There you go. So that little chime right there, it just indicates that the TWS was paired. So now these speakers are actually paired in TWS. So now if we play a song, they're both going to be working in unison. Okay, now you can see that they're both in TWS. If you press the light button, they change together, just like that. So we're going to play some music tracks for you so you can see what these speakers sound like, both as a single speaker and as TWS. We're going to alternate between the two. Then you can decide if one is enough or if you would like to purchase two. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
Contemplating about decisions. Why does no one ever see me? Did I do something wrong? Did I hurt feelings? It is hard to be found when no one's looking. I am feeling left out and I keep screaming. No one ever understands it. Feels like I became Atlantis. Hidden from the world, I'm looking for a way.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you
right, so I want to just show you guys what this actually looks like around when it's playing, what the subwoofer looks like here on the back. So we're going to go ahead and put a song on here. We'll crank it up for you. Come over here and just take a look, see if you can actually see it moving or not. It's really loud all around. I mean, it just has so much sound to it, you can hear it.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
So you can see the subwoofer just vibrating there. So you have this passive here in the back, you have another passive right here in the middle. And this thing just jams. I mean, you can feel the bass when you're holding it.
What's the point in us if I never know? If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
All right, so my final thoughts on the speaker right here, the Stage GoFree. This speaker is really, really cool. I mean, if you hold it in your hand, you can actually feel the bass. It just really, really pounds. It's just crazy. It's like if somebody made a giant speaker like this and then they just miniaturize it. That's kind of like what it feels like, kind of like what it looks like. If you put it sideways like this, it looks like a big speaker. I mean, it looks pretty cool. And the bass just really is there. The subwoofer just going crazy in the back here. And I mean, you could feel it. I mean, that's all I can say. You got to get one of these. You got to try it out for yourself so you can know what I'm talking about. But one thing that I do kind of wish that was different is that I wish this little strap right here, instead of being on the side, I wish maybe it was like on the top or somewhere else. So you can stand it up like this. And then you can take the second one and you can actually stand it up like that. So you have the lights on the outer edge instead of, you know, having to flip it this way. Because there's no way to put it on a strap. It'll just fall over. So that's one thing that I kind of wish that you could do. If you want to stand both speakers up like this, they can kind of be, you know, like that. So that's the only thing I kind of wish about it. But besides that, you know, it's a really cool speaker, little rubberized feet here on the bottom to hold it up. I mean, it sounds great. And on TWS mode, it's really cool as well. I mean, even if you just have one, it's great. But if you're able to get two of them to use in TWS, it's even better. I really do like this speaker. I think it is a really good speaker, especially for the price. I believe there's a pretty good coupon right now on Amazon. And if you're interested in purchasing this, I will leave a link in the description where you'll be able to get it. If you would like to support the channel, please be sure to use my links, as they do generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.